Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let me first start off with my first topic for today, which is on the top 10 FAQs on the COVID-19 vaccines. India's drug regulator DCGI, which is the Drug Control General of India, has given emergency approval of the Oxford and the Covishield Bharat Biotech's Covaxin for restricted emergency use. The vaccination dry run, which is the mock trial, happened on the 8th of January 2021. As per the Government of India, vaccination for our healthcare workers will be offered from January 16th onwards, which is now proceeding smoothly, as we all know. So in this video, let me tell you about what the nation wants to know. Whether we need to take the vaccine or not. Well, while the decision on taking the vaccine shot is entirely voluntary, I hope at the end of this video, your views on the vaccine changes and you are more open to taking the vaccine and join this drive in making India a COVID-free country. Let's move on to the 10 most common FAQs we all want to know or routinely ask our doctors about the much needed vaccine. The first question, which are the two vaccines approved in India? The two vaccines approved are the Covishield by AstraZeneca and Covaxin manufactured by Bharat Biotech. Now, each of these vaccines basically offer an efficacy of 70% and 60% each, respectively. Second question, is it mandatory to get vaccinated? Vaccination for COVID-19 is entirely voluntary. Kindly make an informed decision with the information that is provided to you. Healthcare workers are at high risk for development of COVID-19 infection, and vaccination can protect against development of severe disease and attenuate development of symptomatic infections. Third question, what is the route of the vaccine? How many doses of vaccine are to be taken? The route of all available vaccines are intramuscular. 2 doses of vaccine are required for development of a robust immune response, taken about 3 to 4 weeks apart. Fourth question, is the vaccine necessary for a COVID-19 recovered person? Yes. The duration of immunity acquired after a natural COVID infection is believed to be about 3 to 6 months only based on the presence of neutralizing antibodies. Hence, vaccination is recommended for high-risk frontline healthcare workers and even normal subjects. Vaccine may be taken 1 to 3 months after recovery. If a person is having an active COVID-19 infection, the vaccine can be safely taken after 1 month from the date of previous positive test. Fifth question. Now, can I get COVID-19 because of vaccination? No. All COVID-19 vaccines either use inactivated virus or parts of the virus or gene of a particular virus. Hence, infection will not occur due to vaccination. Sixth question. How long will the vaccine protect from an infection? The data on duration of protection is not yet available. It is expected to protect for at least 6 months or possibly even longer. However, ongoing trials may provide efficacy data in 1 to 2 years. Seventh question. Is it mandatory to follow the safety precautions like masking, hand hygiene, physical distancing after receiving COVID-19 vaccine? The answer is yes. Even after vaccination, all standard precautions and transmission-based precautions, that is appropriate usage of masks, respirators, hand hygiene, or physical distancing, should be strictly followed. Eighth question. When will I get vaccine? Government of India has announced that the vaccine will start by 16th January 2021, which has already entered its phase trials. We know that the healthcare workers in India are already getting vaccinated. Depending on the allocated doses of a vaccine plan that has been made for the main and peripheral campuses, you will receive a SMS, date, time and venue where the vaccine will be provided. Kindly ensure that you have read all the information that has been provided to you ahead of time and make an informed decision regarding the same. As and when the vaccines become available in the private market, there may be an opportunity to avail these vaccines then. Ninth question. Can other vaccines like the influenza or pneumococcal vaccines be given along with the COVID vaccine? The vaccines presently distributed like the Covishield or the Covaxin can also be given safely with inactivated or subunit vaccines along with it or at a gap of about 2 weeks. If a live vaccine is required, it may be given simultaneously or after 4 weeks of administration of the COVID vaccine. The last and final question. So what are my benefits of getting the COVID vaccine shot? Which is the most common question in our minds. Your risk of acquiring the virus goes down substantially after taking the vaccine. So the risk is 20 times lower. Your risk of having COVID-19 disease, even if you acquire the virus, goes down substantially. The risk to your loved ones in your bubble goes down substantially because when you have the lower risk of acquiring and thus transmitting the virus. The risk to everyone who encounters you goes down substantially. You will contribute to population immunity and help make life normal again. You will be celebrating probably the most impactful scientific achievement of the decade. So, when your turn comes, please take the COVID-19 vaccine. Thank you for your patient watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, The White Coat Doctor, for more interesting videos and post in your health related queries. Thank you.